What's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW, and this is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 238. So, in this episode, we had an amazing question from Darren, and Darren's question was, Matt, I know you did this in a live at some point. I was trying to find a video on it. I couldn't find it on your YouTube channel. You got too many damn videos. Sorry, Darren. I'm trying to create as much as I can to help everybody. I know it's confusing. We're actually working on something on the website to get that all fixed for you right now as well. But to get to your question right now, Darren, Graphtec cutter, okay? Darren's question was, Matt, I've seen you do this on a live where you expanded the area of the Graphtec cutter. So, let's just say I'm working with the 15-inch cutter here, okay? And let's just say I'm getting 14.5 inches of cut area because I got my pinch rollers and everything, right? But my design's 14.6 inches. And I want to extend it that 1/10 of an inch just to get it there so I don't have to shrink my design down because I'm cutting a different color and it's a 3-color design. It's going to mess up the layering and everything, right? We've all been there. So I got a solution for you, and it's pretty easy on the Graphtec cutter. I know your question is going to be, can you do it on the Cameo? Can you do it on the Cricut? Can you do it? Unfortunately, it's a nice thing about the Graphtec here, okay? A lot more expensive, but it's got a lot of nice features. So Darren, let me show you how to do that expand feature and expand the area to be able to get that extra 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, whatever you need for that cut file. All right, so I'm over here at my Graphtec cutter now. What we need to do is just get to our correct settings, all right? So I'm just gonna go to my pause menu, and then I'm gonna choose 3 for area. You're gonna see 1 for expand, and then it's set at default right now. Now, if I hit down, it's gonna take away from my cut area, you can see. And if I hit up, it's going to expand my cut area. So let's just say I need to expand my cut area by 0.32, and you'll see the highest it goes is 0.394 inches. So let's just say I need to go 0.280 inches. So I'm just gonna come over here, I'm gonna hit enter, and okay, so now at the top, I'm gonna hit pause menu to go back to my setting and watch it move here. See how much it moved out to the side there? I'm honestly right at the edge of my material. Like, that's probably a little bit too far out. Now, I may be pushing it with that, okay? But again, we can expand that cut area, and it's gonna do the same on both sides. So when we have our other pinch roller over there, it's gonna do that same thing to expand that area. All right, so that's it. Not too difficult, right? But learning that little feature right there, it can save your butt a lot. When you've cut your first color, you gotta go cut your second color. It isn't quite fitting in that area there, especially when you're using a smaller cutter like the 15-inch. But even when you get to the 24-inch and you're using scrap materials and stuff, just make sure you can use that because it expands into your actual pinch rollers a little bit to give you a little bit extra area to cut your vinyl. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, of course, make sure to click that like button right now. Let's do it. I know you can. Like it. And then comment below. Give me some more amazing questions that you may have. And of course, subscribe here to the YouTube channel. Click the little bell notification to get your notification each time we post a brand new video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.